I'm Ankita and I belong to Hubli. I have been in Hubli for last 17 years and I'm in love with this city. So today I would be talking about FOMO. So how many of you know what FOMO is? Only a few? Okay, let me tell you what FOMO is. FOMO basically is fear of missing out. It can be any fear of missing out on anything that is happening. Especially right now in this generation, it is all about missing out on something that is happening on internet. Maybe something which is breaking the internet. Hey, Magha Darshan Dhosa teaser gone. Salman ka Dabang ka trailer gone. You'll break the internet with that. You know what? People say, according to the recent studies, 70% of the population is suffering from FOMO. I know why I'm saying suffering because this is going to kill us eventually, not physically, mentally, and emotionally. How many of you are on social media platforms? It can be Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok. Okay, great. I have lots of patience right now. Then. Or suffering from FOMO. Okay, so basically, FOMO is, you know, avoiding the people who are with you, who are next to you, for something that is happening somewhere else, right? How many of you do this? You're in the class and you're chatting with someone because somebody else is out on a picnic and you're not. Please, I know everybody does it in the class. Don't try to be like, no, no, I'm a very good student. Okay, so FOMO basically, it is human nature. FOMO means I want something which somebody else has in his or her life. For example, I have come here today to KLA Tech, there is TEDx happening. So, me and my friend, we both take the same picture, we post the same picture, same time. Now, my friend has 1,000 hearts on Instagram for that. Okay? I have 10. What happens to me? I'll be like, oh my God, this is so sad. I'm depressed. Depression is a new fashion is a new trend. Everybody is depressed. A 15-year-old kid is depressed. I don't know for what reason. Dude, when I was 15, I was playing around. I was playing cricket. I was playing, this gilly danda and all that. When I was 15, I did that. I used to play hide and seek when I was 15. I was not depressed. Now, lots of you might say, ma'am, aapko kya pata? We all are so depressed. There are so many kinds of depressions we have. How will you ever understand our pain? What pain are you talking about? Not getting the likes? People or your crush not accepting your friend requests? See, I know. So, when I say that my friend gets more likes and I don't, what happens? Jealousy. Jealousy automatically comes in. Again, that is human nature. My picture should get most of the likes and most of the comments and good comments, please. Anybody who says something negative, we get depressed, right? So everybody wants to pout only because somebody is pouting in a picture and the picture has got, say, 10,000 likes. And now you're like, I also want to pout. I don't know how. You will learn it. Trust me, people learn how to pout. They do. Why? Fear of missing out on all those likes. क्या हो जाएगा यार, people will not accept me in this society. Maybe because I don't know how to pout. Maybe because I don't have Instagram followers. See, it's all materialistic. Of course, you all are very young. We all are very young. Yeah, we all are very young. And we do, feel कि यार मेरे और थोड़े से followers बढ़ जाए. People should like me. Yes, it's fine. People will like you when you like yourself. Self acceptance, self love is very important. If you have that, there'll be no FOMO. So, for example, if I say fear of missing out on something, it is not only internet I'm talking about. It's a general fear of missing out on someone. Every morning we wake up. What's the first thing we do? Don't say open the eyes. Okay. The first thing we do is we check our phone, Insta feed, Facebook feed, Somebody is getting married, somebody is engaged, somebody is on a holiday, somebody is getting a baby, somebody is, going somewhere, changed a job, got a better job. Then I say, what's left in my life? I'm still here doing nothing. Just be happy for others. When you're happy for others, you are happy within. The moment I say, yaar, people are enjoying so much, so you also enjoy. Who's stopping you? See, I'm nobody. I'm not going to come to you every single day and say, see, baby, no FOMO, okay? You have to love yourself. I'll not do this every day. You need to tell yourself, I love myself. Okay, see, we all human beings are as unique as our fingerprints. Everybody is different. I cannot become Aishwarya Rai. She cannot become Ankita Gokhale. Simple. Why do I need to be Aishwarya Rai when I'm Ankita Gokhale? See, that's how that's how you learn happiness. Be happy where you are. How many of you have watched this movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani? Most of you. There's this one dialogue in the movie. जितनी भी कोशिश कर लो कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही, तो जहां हो वहां का मजा लेते हैं, राइट? इसके लिए ना आई हैव अ परफेक्ट एग्जांपल. Today, right now, at this time, when I'm standing here talking to you all amazing people, my family is in Lonavala enjoying a wonderful holiday. We have a family reunion happening. Everybody's like, enjoying. Yaar, kya maza aa raha hai? Everybody is, sending pictures on the group. Now, I have fear of missing out. I'm missing on something, right? But, you know, I ask myself, am I happy here today? Yes. Yes, I'm very happy that I'm here today. So I don't mind. Let them have fun. They're all having fun. Fine, I'll go meet them some other time. But TED is not going to happen anytime soon. So choose your priorities. We should know our priorities very well. You know what we do? Priority, phone charge karna hai. Priority, internet pack. Priority, oh, wake up selfie, gym workout selfie, Zumba class selfie, class के बाद boring वाला selfie, library वाला so many. Who invented all these things, guys? We did it, right? Workout. Some person somewhere randomly clicked the photo and said workout selfie. Everybody has a workout selfie now. They go to the gym, they don't do anything, they just take a picture and come back. Why? There is a fear of missing out. They do not want to miss out on something. And that something is people liking you. There was this one, series that came in Friends. Even today, people watch Friends. That was an English series. So till date, people watch Friends. But then comes in, यार तूने Friends नहीं देखा? Now you cannot be a part of that conversation. To be a part of that conversation, to be in the hot topic, you go home, you download, you watch it, and next day you're all set to talk about it. But then priorities have changed. Now they're talking about sacred games. कभी कभी तो लगता है अपुनिच भगवान है. Yeah. Next in FOMO is body shaming. Body shaming starts right at home. It doesn't come from outside. So if you're overweight, edumi, moti, dhabbi, fatso, whatever language it is, they have a word. They have a word for it. So it starts at home. Now, some people take it sportingly, but most of the teenagers, if we look today, according to the recent surveys and studies, they are depressed because of their body type. I'm too lean, I'm too fat, I'm too skinny, I'm too tall, I'm too short. Dude, does it really matter? Yes, it does. You know why? I'll tell you. How many of you have watched Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi? Some of you. Yeah, it's an old movie. So, yeah. In that movie, nobody will go and choose this Surinder Sahani wala Shah Rukh Khan because he's a boring person basically. He's very boring. He goes to office every morning, comes back, he cleans the house, he goes to sleep. Then comes the other one, Raj, naam to suna hoga. Yeah. So you want that, you're happening, as a bike pe jane wala. That's what you want. It's the same person. It's the same person playing two characters. So we need to understand everything is within us. So this is the fear that everybody is having today. We all are sitting with a family. Take Diwali. Diwali happened recently, right? How many of you know it was Diwali? Everybody does. You know why? We all had that diya wala selfie. Remember? Essay, essay. And even though you don't put the rangoli, you just sit there and act as if you're the artist because you do not want to miss out. Everybody is posting pictures with diyas, yaar. Hostel में तो क्या हुआ दोस्त के घर चलते. I want a photo. That's it. Puja, may we go to this puja or any occasion, wedding, kuch bhi hai. The dulha and dulhan on the stage, no, they're literally bugged up because people are busy taking their own selfies. Yeah, they come on the stage. Hey, thanks. You go. Feeling happy. My friend is getting married. Why are you happy that he is getting married? Are you getting married? No, right? Be happy that you're not married. Yeah, that's how it should be. So also marriage also. People get married because of fear of missing out on having kids, going on a honeymoon, shopping, having grandchildren. Yeah, people marry for this also. Fear of missing out on so many beautiful moments. See, all the beautiful moments are created by us. We create our beautiful moments. I don't want a husband to be like, that selfie, oh, so much in love, oh, together. I don't want that. Don't be in this rat race. I'm telling you again. It's high time we all wake up. This FOMO is going to kill you. So please wake up as soon as possible. Take the proper treatment. Now, what is the treatment for FOMO? Managantar phone bitta pida. No. I know. Nobody can do that. Even I can't. Even I can't do that. We cannot survive without the phone. Maybe we can survive without oxygen one fine day. But we need Wi Fi, charger, and our phone. Earphones, yeah. Check. See? Earphones, yeah. To listen to the radio, you need that. So, coming back to fear of missing out, I'll tell you an incident which happened with me. Okay? I am fat. That is the fact. I am fat and I know that. I am fat. So what? People, they all come up to me and Nimbu Pani, best. Herbal tea, my father lost 7 kgs. Okay. Morning walk, ille iti Nehru Stadium. Go walk, yeah. What are you doing? Now, and they also have a few more things. Kitna khayegi be? This is common. You put on 1 kg, they will kitna khayegi? See, I'll tell you what. Until and unless you are uncomfortable with your own skin, nothing is going to help you. I am comfortable the way I am. I love myself for what I am and how I look. I got glasses when I was in grade 1. First standard tak, I was a very cute little bacha. First standard mein I got these glasses. Second standard mein daat gir gaye. Then I got this ade tede, all these kind of teeth. And the soda glass us time pe. And I went to school, nobody was talking to me. I had FOMO back then. As a kid, I was an introvert. Nobody believes this now. I was an introvert. I never spoke to anyone. I never let out my feelings. So once a person called me and we choreographed the dance. It was Nimbuda. It was season of Nimbuda that time. If it's a guys group, they'll dance on Ek Palka Jeena. Fix. So they called me, ki, chalo, haan, hum practice karte. We all practiced. Said, next day, it was going to be our performance. And the girl comes up to me and she's like, you know what, Ankita? We do not want ugly people in our group. And this was when I was in class 7. Seventh May. The person had the capability of saying something like this. I was shattered, heartbroken, lonely, depressed, frustrated. No, I was happy. You know why? Thank God stage pe nahi jana padega. Of course, I cried. I cried a little because I felt bad about it. Later on, kuch saal baad, it was like one Ek Kapoor kahani that happened with me. I started my career very early. At 18, I started my career. So by the time I was 21, I was already a trainer. And engineering finishes when you're 22, right? So I was invited to the same college where the same girl was studying to be a trainer. I was going to train all the people over there. So I come on the stage and everybody is like, okay, this is Ankita Gokhale and she's a trainer, etc., etc., etc. Now she's sitting in the first line, first rank students and all that. I look at her and I'm like, wow, I have already won the battle. छोड़ दो, मेरे को इस ट्रेनिंग के पैसे भी नहीं चाहिए. हमारे क्लास की लड़की who was so dumb, who was so ugly, is a trainer. So we started the session and then she had some questions. She had to ask a question because she wanted to talk to me now. She's like, Ankita, I said I would prefer ma'am. You know, that gives you that thug life wala feeling. You know, I had that feeling. So, you know, love yourself. The main point is love yourself, accept yourself. We don't accept ourselves. That's the mistake we all do. लड़की स्लिम होनी चाहिए, गोरी होनी चाहिए, लड़का टॉल डार्क एंड हैंडसम होना चाहिए, जिम जाता होना चाहिए, and he should have a lot of money, she should have a lot of money, so they can all buy, you know, expensive phones, expensive cars, expensive clothes, take those selfies and post them. Why? If you like yourself, you do not need anybody to like you. Trust me. I have realized this. I love myself like crazy, like Shah Rukh Khan from Dar. I love myself like that. I'm crazily in love with myself. Think, if you want to come out of FOMO, one, set your priorities right. What are you doing with your life? What are you doing? Why do you want to look at people and see why my life is not like that? Because it's not your life, sweetheart. It is somebody else's life. That's why it's not like your life. Focus on the things that you want to do. Show gratitude towards people. Priorities. Quality matters, not the quantity. Don't be materialistic. We all are materialistic, I understand, but we should know where to draw our limits. We should know what we are doing, and that is very important if you want to get out of fear of missing out. Dil pe haath rakh ke tell me, how many of you are suffering from FOMO? Nobody? Everybody. Ah, okay, this side, okay, a fewer people. So I would just suggest listen to radio, number one, because I make people happy when I speak. Second, try to keep yourself away from your phones and your fears. Do not display your problems. Display your strengths as much as you want because you have something really awesome in you. Everybody is gifted. I don't want to be like you. You should not want to be like me. Never ever in your life. Have a role model, great. But do not try to be someone else. Be a voice, not an echo. Never. Always remember this one thing, and that's all. Thank you.